Our galactic home, a realm of wonder. The universe is vast and wondrous. Our Milky Way is a speck within it. Yet it holds incredible beauty. Billions of stars call it home, each star a sun with planets. Our sun is one of them. We journey through space together. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. Imagine a colossal pinwheel. At its heart, a supermassive black hole. Our solar system resides in a spiral arm. For centuries we've gazed at this band of light. Ancient cultures told stories about it. Today science tells us a different story. The Great Cosmic Dance, an unexpected partner. Our Milky Way galaxy is not alone on its cosmic journey. It is part of a group of galaxies called the Local Group. These galaxies are all bound together by gravity. They move and swirl in a slow, majestic dance. Sometimes these galactic dances come very close to each other. Sometimes they even merge, creating something new and grander. Astronomers have noticed something peculiar about our galaxy's motion. It seems the Milky Way is being disturbed. It is being pulled and nudged by an unseen influence. This suggests that our galaxy is interacting with something very massive. This interaction is not a gentle handshake. It is more like a significant gravitational embrace or perhaps a slow collision. One possibility is a smaller dwarf galaxy. Perhaps one such galaxy is currently passing through our own, or maybe it is being slowly torn apart and consumed by our larger galaxy. Another intriguing possibility involves a vast clump of dark matter. This would explain the strange pulls without a visible culprit in our telescopes. Whispers in the dark, unmasking the mysterious forces. The forces affecting our Milky Way are subtle yet powerful. They are like invisible hands gently pushing and pulling our galaxy. These forces are primarily gravitational in nature. Gravity is the universal architect. It shapes stars, planets, and entire galaxies. Astronomers are like cosmic detectives. They search for clues about these mysterious forces. They carefully measure the positions and movements of stars within the Milky Way. Tiny deviations from their predicted paths can reveal the pull of an unseen mass. This painstaking work requires incredibly precise instruments and years of observation. The distribution of stars and gas in our galaxy can also provide clues. If something massive is passing through, it would disturb these components. Dark matter plays a significant role in these interactions. Understanding dark matter is crucial to fully comprehending these cosmic tugs of war. When galaxies embrace, tales of cosmic collisions. Cosmic collisions are fundamental to galactic evolution. Galaxies grow by merging with others. Our Milky Way has consumed many smaller galaxies. We are on a collision course with Andromeda. This cosmic crash is 4.5 billion years away. The Hubble Space Telescope captures stunning images of interacting galaxies. The Sagittarius dwarf galaxy is being absorbed by the Milky Way. Gazing into the abyss tools of discovery. To study these immense cosmic events, astronomers rely on powerful tools. Giant telescopes on Earth and in space are our eyes on the universe. They can peer across vast distances and capture faint light from distant objects. Telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope have provided breathtaking images. They have also given us crucial data about the movement and composition of galaxies. The European Space Agency's Gaia mission is particularly important for studying our Milky Way. Gaia is meticulously mapping the positions, distances and motions of over 1 billion stars. This incredibly precise three-dimensional map allows astronomers to detect subtle disturbances. Beyond direct observation, scientists use sophisticated computer simulations. These simulations model the behavior of galaxies over billions of years. Researchers can input different scenarios, such as a collision with a dwarf galaxy. By comparing the simulation results with actual observations, they can test their theories. This research is a global effort. Astronomers from around the world collaborate and share their findings. By working together, we can piece together the complex puzzle of cosmic evolution. The ever-expanding frontier future cosmic chronicles. The study of our Milky Way and its cosmic interactions is an ongoing adventure. There is still so much to learn and discover. Future research promises to unveil even more secrets of the universe. New telescopes and observational techniques are constantly being developed. Each advancement opens a new window onto the cosmos. Upcoming observatories, both on the ground and in space, will play a crucial role. For example, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory will survey the entire southern sky repeatedly. The James Webb Space Telescope continues to provide stunning infrared views. With more data comes the potential for more refined models. Scientists will be able to create even more accurate simulations of galactic collisions. They may be able to determine its mass, its trajectory, and its composition more precisely. The mysteries of dark matter and dark energy also remain significant frontiers. Understanding these enigmatic components of the universe is key to comprehending galactic evolution. Future experiments may directly detect dark matter particles. The quest for knowledge is truly endless. A universe of endless fascination. The story of the Milky Way's mysterious collision is a captivating one. It reminds us that the universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Even our own vast galaxy is subject to powerful cosmic forces. These forces shape its destiny over unimaginable timescales. Learning about these events helps us understand our place in the cosmos. It connects us to the grand, unfolding narrative of the universe. These discoveries do more than just satisfy our scientific curiosity. They expand our perspective and inspire awe. To think of entire galaxies interacting, merging and transforming is truly humbling. It highlights the incredible scale and complexity of nature. It encourages us to look up at the night sky with a renewed sense of wonder. Each star, each faint smudge of light is part of this magnificent cosmic ballet. Thank you for joining me on this journey. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. The cosmos has many more stories to tell, and with continued exploration, we will surely uncover them.